Floods caused by unusually heavy rainfall are ravaging Turkey's northern coast, tearing down a bridge and leaving villages without power. The floods on Wednesday came after some of the largest wildfires in the country's history spread across the southwest. State broadcaster TRT Haber said one person died from a heart attack in the northern province of Bartın amid the flooding, and emergency workers were looking for another person who was missing. 13 people were also injured after a bridge collapsed in Bartın and there were power outages in 12 villages, the Disaster and Emergency Management Presidency said. In Sinop province, 240 kilometers east of Bartın, a house collapsed due to the deluge and cars were left stranded in water, Reuters news agency footage showed.